Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower engine for our customer's 1963 Chevy Impala. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal. We have a double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rocker arms are all adjusted and set. We have the correct oil pan on there for the 63 Impala. Red Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. It's real nice Chevrolet chrome valve covers with the matching Chevrolet 14-inch air cleaner with the washable black filter. Polished intake manifold. Correct thermostat housing for the 63 Impala. High flow thermostat installed in there. Heavy duty Russell PCV hose and PCV valve. Holley 750 CFM carburetor on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. MSD ignition coil. We have the small cap distributor, real important for firewall clearance on the 63 Impala right there. We always install the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission. Customer has a TH 350 trans, so proper tooth count and balance for the 350 Chevrolet. High torque mini starter on there, all lined and set. Chrome dipstick and tube. Chevrolet push-in breather. We installed the manifold vacuum T-fitting in there for any vacuum hookups. Chrome fuel line on there. Muscle Car Series fuel pump. Heavy duty AN fittings. Russell fuel line with the inline gas filter. Right there, all the loop clamps up to the carburetor. It's a real nice polished Wraptor pulley kit on here. We have the self-tensioning belt tensioner on there. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. AC compressors on there. High flow reverse rotation water pump. We have a 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. GM power steering pump on there. Saginaw pump, all set. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes at Engine Factory. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over. So you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's a family-operated business here. So there you have it, our 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower engine for the 1963 Chevy Impala. Thanks for watching.